Everyone wants to be strong. It's something we've all thought about at least once in our lives. So today, guys, let's talk this through and bring this idea to reality. As a man, I see physical and mental strength as crucial elements in making a man truly strong. Certainly, you'll feel immense pride and self-satisfaction when you realize that people rely on you, finding you trustworthy in times of hardship. A physically strong person with a steel mindset that knows no surrender. You'll respect yourself more, and everyone will want to be around you, including your family, the person you love, and your friends. Being strong means being physically, mentally, and in terms of skills, your muscles should have a function. We'll explore all of this in this video. I'll start by discussing physical strength. To make your muscles stronger, you need to subject your body to specific exercises to tear muscle fibers, which will then make the muscle stronger and larger after recovery. There are many types of exercises like calisthenics, bodybuilding, and powerlifting. Each of these exercises strengthens the muscle in a certain way, despite their differences. I'll start with calisthenics because I practice and prefer it. Calisthenics engages most muscles in the body and improves flexibility and fitness. Adding weights to calisthenics exercises remarkably strengthens the muscles. Exercises like pull-ups with added weights, for me, are the best for the back muscle. Similarly, push-ups with added weights are excellent for the chest muscle, providing tremendous pushing strength. Weighted calisthenics will make you a beast among those around you. We also need to discuss bodybuilding, as it's the best choice if you're aiming for size and muscle mass rather than just strength. Bodybuilding targets specifically the muscles you want to train. Unlike calisthenics, which engages most of the body, however, you must also perform flexibility exercises alongside bodybuilding to not lose your body's flexibility, since bodybuilding won't develop your flexibility. Choose your exercise type wisely. I'd advise you to take a considerable amount of rest. It's essential. This includes getting enough sleep and eating well. Avoid staying up late as it delays muscle recovery and building, so you need to be disciplined and try to sleep early. Nutrition is also crucial when it comes to muscle building and recovery. You need to meet your protein requirements to feed your muscles well and accelerate the muscle fiber repair process. There are plenty of good protein sources like eggs, lean meats, poultry, nuts, seeds, and fish. And to fuel your intense workouts with high energy, don't forget to meet your carbohydrate and healthy fat needs. You'll find carbohydrates in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and milk, while healthy fats are present in olive oil and fatty fish like sardines and salmon. Consistently exercising your muscles, taking care of your diet, and ensuring adequate sleep will make you extremely physically strong. You'll become someone who loves and cares for himself more, which is very good. Now let's talk about how to utilize or make these muscles beneficial. The video was titled, How You Can Become Strong. And being strong is not just a matter of physical strength, but also a technical one. So let's talk about self-defense arts or martial arts. Who doesn't want to be good in a martial art and master it? Who doesn't want to be brave and capable of protecting their loved ones in hard times or danger? We all want to become better and stronger, guys. There are plenty of powerful martial arts: boxing, wrestling, kickboxing, Muay Thai, Taekwondo, karate, and many more. To become a good fighter, you need to master striking, kicking, grappling, and wrestling. I'll summarize punching and kicking in kickboxing because it's a fantastic and comprehensive martial art that teaches you striking and kicking and also improves your defense. Pereira in the UFC art. Muay Thai is also a strong and tough martial art that will make you a terrifying fighter. As you know and saw, you can use elbows and knees in Muay Thai, unlike kickboxing, which focuses on kicks and punches only. Kickboxing and Muay Thai will teach you the art of punching and kicking, and it will increase your reaction speed. Besides mastering kicking and punching, you can fight a wrestler and you'll find yourself in a trouble because you may not succeed in defeating him with just your punches and kicks. You must be prepared for anything, literally. This is where wrestling and grappling come into play. For me, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is something essential, and each of you should be familiar with some of its moves. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu relies more on ground techniques than strength, which allows professionals to defeat opponents regardless of their size and strength. It also requires quick thinking and making decisions quickly to win, as well as high caution to avoid being caught off guard. Judo and wrestling are also good martial arts when it comes to throwing techniques. Now, let's talk about mental strength. Being mentally tough means focusing all your attention on your goal, on what you desire, and not letting anything else hinder you. Do you struggle with laziness and you need to work for success? Ignore that feeling and focus on what you initially wanted. Focus on what you started for. Ignore the difficulties, the pains, the obstacles, and take your mind to a place no one has reached. Don't be ordinary. I know most of you watching this won't actually apply these things because it's indeed a tough road and requires significant mental toughness and willpower. Neither physical strength nor mastering martial arts can make you truly strong, but mental strength will indeed make you a very strong individual, a person who never gives up and remains focused on his goals no matter how tough things get. Someone who doesn't waver even in the face of their desires and temptations. That's the kind of person I call strong, and I have a lot of respect and appreciation for them. That's all for today's video. I wish you all the best, guys, and I hope you've benefited from this video. And like always, I'm all ears if any of you need anything. I dedicate a specific time to read all the comments and answer all the questions. I'd be happy if you subscribed. Ilias was here. Take care, and until next time.